blacksmith courted me 9 months and better. He fairly won my heart, wrote me a letter with his hammer in his hand. He looked so clever, and if I was with my love, I'd live forever. And where is my love gone, with his cheeks like roses, and his good black billy cock on, decked with primroses? I'm afraid the scorching sun will shine and burn his beauty, and if I was with my love, I'd do my duty. Strange news has come to town, strange news is carried, strange news flies up and down, that my love is married. I wish them both much joy, though they don't hear me, and may God reward him well for the slighting of me. What did you promise me when you sat beside me? You said you would marry me and not deny me. If I said I'd marry you, it was only for to try you. So bring your witness, love, and I'll not deny you. Oh, witness have I none, save God Almighty, and